In many relationships, snoring becomes a nighttime symphony of sorts, often with one partner leading the chorus. Take Mark and Lisa, for example. Mark's snores could rival a lion's roar, creating a nightly challenge for Lisa. At first, she tried earplugs, but they were no match for Mark's mighty melody. So Lisa resorted to gentle nudges, often turning their bed into a push-and-shove tango, much to Mark's oblivious amusement. Finally, realizing compromise was needed, they discovered a quirky solution: a white noise machine playing sounds of ocean waves, transforming bedtime into a soothing beach escape. This humorous ordeal taught them the rhythmic dance of patience and creativity, showcasing that even snore-filled nights can compose a harmonious relationship.